Soalan menyelesaikan masalah tahun 6 Matematik, Year 6 Maths Problem Solving Question. So here they have said that the total profit untuk ketiga-tiga bulan. Okay, 3 bulan keuntungan. Jumlah keuntungan dia ialah 2.04 juta. 2.04 million profit for the whole 3 months. What does that mean? That means when all these 3 months profit is added together, we get 2.04 million, 2.04 juta kalau kita tambahkan ketiga-tiga. So, apa kita nak buat sekarang? Kita tuliskan ayat matematik, right? We write the mathematical sentence. So, what we're going to do is we're going to write 0.6 million. So, 0.6 tambah 1.012 tambah bulan Julai itu cikgu tulis sebagai huruf J, and this will give me a total profit of 2.04 million. Okay, so what you can do is you can also write this whole thing in bracket and then tulis million atau juta sekali dekat luar. Okay, so you know that when all of this is added, right, it will come up to a total of 2.04 million, 2.04 juta bila ketiga-tiga ni dia tambah. Okey, so bermakna sekarang kalau cikgu nak tengok nombor ini sahaja, ya, keluarkan sifar pukul 6 tambah 1.012 tambah bulan Julai itu kita tak tahu, buat kotak kosong sama dengan 2.04. Okey, so when there is a missing number but it's addition, right, penambahan tapi ada nombor yang dia tak bagi tu, untuk cari nombor yang tak ada, kita kena tolak, right? To find the missing value, you have to minus. You take the answer 2.04 and you have to minus both of these numbers. So you can either do one by one, 2.04 tolak dulu dengan sifar pukul 6, dapatkan jawapan, kemudian tolak lagi 1.012. So you can minus one by one, or you can add both of these together and then minus from here. So, for example, sifar pukul 6 plus with 1.012. This is your skill for decimals. You have to make sure that when you are adding decimals, your decimal points are all in a straight line. Here you can add zeros because there's an empty space there. So, bila kita tambah semua, kita akan dapat 2, 1, 6, 1. So, 1.612 juta bila kita tambah kedua-duanya sekali. Kemudian dari 2.04 we minus with 1.612. Again, you want to make sure that your decimal points are all in a straight line, right? All your decimal points have to be in a straight line. Semua mesti dalam garis lurus. Tambahkan sifar, add the 0, okay? And then we minus. So 0 cannot minus 0 cannot minus with 2, right? So you have to borrow. So borrow from 4, you are left with 3. 10 tolak 2, 8. 3 tolak 1, 2. Sifar ni tak boleh tolak 6. So kena pinjam lagi sekali. So borrow from the 2. And minus 6 is 4. Put the decimal point. And this is 0. So keep in mind all these are in millions, ya. Semua ni dalam sebutan juta. Jadi jangan lupa akhir sekali tu mesti tulis juta, right? You have to write million as your unit. Now to change this to a whole number, it will become 428,000 if you are changing it to a whole number. Kalau nak tukar kepada nombor bulat. Okay, alright. So this is one solution to the question. Now question B here, they are asking you how much more profit, berapa lebihnya keuntungan dalam bulan Jun berbanding dengan bulan Mei. June to May. Let's look back at the question. June to May. So, when you look at the question, June is 1.012 million. May is 0.6 million. Is this more than this? Yes. Adakah 1.012 juta ni lebih daripada sifar perpuluhan 6? Memang lebih. Tapi berapa banyak lebih, right? How much more is the 1.012 million compared to 0.6? So, kita nak tahu berapa lebih, kita kena tolak. Okay? So, to answer this question, now we have to take 1.012 1.012 we have to minus with 0.6 because we want to see how much more profit is it. So yang ni boleh tambah sifar, so tolak 2, 1 sifar tak boleh tolak 6, pinjam dapat 4 sifar. So sifar /41 juta lebih, 0.412 million more, right? It's 0.412 million more. If I want to change this to a whole number, then it becomes 412,000. 412,000. Nanti cikgu akan tunjuk satu video di mana kita boleh tukarkan nombor perpuluhan juta atau pecahan juta kepada nombor bulat. Very easy to change. Okay, alright, so I'll have another video for that. So hopefully this problem solving question is useful for you. Okay, this is the entire solution. You can screenshot this for your reference. Alright, see you in the next one.